Hello, everyone. Wanted to jump on real quick and make a quick little video. I wanted to make some cherries to go on my fake desserts. So I decided to try it out with some Model Magic. So I was thinking I go with the Model Magic, play with it a little bit in your hands, get it to where you want it. And then, I don't know what these things are called, but I know a lot of you crafters know. I wanted to take some of these, get these at Dollar Tree, Walmart, anywhere, in the kids' crafts, school stuff. Anyways, I wanted to make some cherries, because I have some, but I wanted to try something different. So, I've been sitting here playing with this in my hand, as you could tell, because it's where you want it. Because you don't want to get cracks. If you don't do this, whatever you make, once it dries, it'll start like having cracks in it and it'll look real ugly. So, I want to make a whole bunch of different size ones. Just take a little piece, roll it up in your hand. I say let's use the tip of just to give it that little, little. And then we'll take a piece of this. You don't even have to do, that's not working. You don't have to do a really big piece. See? Nothing big. And then just stick it in there. See? And we have little cherries. See? Let's make a couple more. Make them all sizes. See, just, sorry, kind of forgot about this part. Give it a little in there, and then just push this in there. And once this dries, see, that's so cute. Little cherries. See, just roll it in your hand. Make little balls. Doesn't have to be nothing perfect. Because remember, it's just going in whatever little fake bait you decided to do. See? I should have made a big one for my big sundae back there. Ice cream. That cherry looks so little on there. But it's okay. Let's keep going here. Let's make a couple. Because I always need these. And see, I put them on different things like ice cream. See, these I bought already like this. I think I got these at Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. It was either Hobby Lobby or, to be honest with you, a thrift store. I'm not sure. Can't remember. I think it's so cool that you can just take anything and turn it into what you put your mind to. See? Because it wouldn't. That's cool. See? Little cherries. You could make so much things with this model magic. Like, you would be amazed the things that you can make using this. Let me go a little closer so you guys can see. And it comes in all colors. You can get this at Walmart in bigger packs. These packs I got at Dollar Tree. And Dollar Tree has, I believe they have red, they have yellow, they have black, and they have white. White sometimes is very hard to get from Dollar Tree because people get a lot of it. But it is wonderful for making little things that you're making. My cherries look so cute, look. We're going to make the rest, that way I don't waste this, because we can't be wasting it. You know what, I'm going to make a bigger one. That way if I make something that I need a big one, I have a nice big one. Maybe we should make one real big one. Here we go. Maybe I shouldn't have used this in green, but it's all I got. I haven't been able to find it in like a brown color yet. The little hairs. That is so cool. My cherries are so cool. So we're going to do this again, just to give it that little cherry. See? I don't know if you guys can see. I have to figure out how to get my camera closer. Maybe I made that too long. Okay. And there we go. We have some cherries. That is so freaking cute. Come a little closer for you guys can see. Then that way when they dry, once they dry, I don't know if I'm gonna leave them like that or if I'm gonna put a coat of something over them just to make them shine a little bit. I'm not sure, but here are my cherries. Those are so freaking cute. Nothing perfect, but as a crafter, when you learn different things and you go as you go, you get better in time. You don't have to be perfect when it comes to crafting. As long as you enjoy yourself and you enjoy what you're making. So, here is a closer look of my cherries. I love them. I think they are freaking cute. I mean, maybe they could have been a little better, but hey, I think that's good enough for now. Like I said, once they dry, I'll probably put a coat of something over them to make them just a little more shinier and stuff. But this was just a quick little video just to have something to do with you guys. See, they are adorable. So, thank you guys all for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. I really have fun making these. Let's see what we come up with next. Thanks for watching, guys.